fuck was that? Tangina mo! I'm recording everything. I'm recording everything. I'm recording everything. Hey, no, get back, get back, get back.
I was just wondering why you were coming out into the road, and then I saw why, because you're on your phone. You, man.
What's up, big man? Come on, big man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Stop, bro. What? What? What's up, bro?
What?
What's up?
No, what's your problem?
Why giving me
Are we shaking your head out?
It wasn't at you.
Well, that's alright then.
No.
I'm shaking your head at us.
It weren't at you.
That's alright, and then you f***ing back. Fuck off then.
Or what?
Oh, what? What?
For what, bro?
You think you're clever?
What, bro?
What, bro? What, bro? Go on your bike. Bro, don't be f***ing back. I'll take you off.
Go on then. Go on then. Come on. Start camera. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, prick. Ah, prick. Off. Boo-hoo. Off. Hey. Come on. Make yourself look a twat now. Come on. You gave me some great footage for YouTube, mate. Come on.
Slow your ass down. That pizza ain't worth it. That's my life you're f***ing with. Slow down.
So see, these are the f***ers here that just think they can do whatever the f*** they want.
Look at this guy. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Stay away, are you, idiot?
Dumb.
Hey brother, how about pulling to the right hand side or to the left hand side instead of standing in the middle, yeah? Seriously. Come on, man. Qu'est-ce que tu fous avec ton arme? Va. Laisse Kylian, c'est les gens qui assument pas ça. T'assumes pas. T'assumes pas. T'assumes pas. T'assumes pas. Oui, mais c'est